Today I'm diving into the legendary tale of Ertugrul Ghazi. If you're a fan of epic TV series, you've probably heard of him. His journey is nothing short of phenomenal. Ertugrul Ghazi, born in the 13th century, was the leader of the Kayi Tribe. He faced countless challenges, from brutal Mongol invasions to treacherous betrayal. But this guy, he had the heart of a lion and the wisdom of a sage. Ertugrul's leadership turned a small, wandering tribe into a force to be reckoned with. Let's start with his early days. Ertugrul wasn't just a warrior, he was a visionary. He believed in unity and justice. He led his people with a mix of bravery and compassion. His tactical genius shone through in battle after battle, earning him respect far and wide. One of the pivotal moments in his life was his alliance with the Seljuks. This move wasn't just about power, it was about survival and growth. Ertugrul's foresight secured the Kayi tribe's future, setting the stage for the rise of the Ottoman Empire. Ertugrul's story is also a deeply personal one. His love for his family, especially his wife Halime Sultan, and his devotion to his tribe were the driving forces behind his relentless pursuit of glory. This wasn't just a quest for power, it was a quest for a better life for his people. And let's not forget his legacy. Ertugrul's son, Osman I, took his father's dream and ran with it, founding the Ottoman Empire, which would last for over 600 years. Talk about leaving a mark on history. So there you have it. From tribe leader to empire builder, Ertugrul Ghazi's journey is a testament to courage, resilience, and vision. If you're into stories of epic quests and legendary heroes, this is one saga you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more legendary tales.